Prime Minister has spoken out on the triple talaq menace once again. Speaking at Basava Jayanti event in the capital, the Prime Minister has said that the government will find a way to help Muslim women. He also added that eminent Muslims should come forward to oppose the practice, adding that the issue should not be politicized. Take a listen.
मेरे मन में एक आशा जगती है कि इस देश में समाज के भीतर से ही ताकतवर लोग निकलते हैं जो कालबाह्य परंपराओं को तोड़ते हैं, नष्ट करते हैं, आधुनिक व्यवस्थाओं को विकसित करते हैं। मुसलमान समाज में से भी ऐसे प्रबुद्ध लोग पैदा होंगे, आगे आएंगे और मुस्लिम बेटियों को उनके साथ जो गुजर रही हैं, जो बीत रही हैं, उसके खिलाफ वो खुद लड़ाई लड़ेंगे और कभी न कभी रास्ता निकालेंगे। और हिंदुस्तान के ही प्रबुद्ध मुसलमान को निकलेंगे जो दुनिया के मुसलमानों को रास्ता दिखाने की ताकत रखते हैं। इस धरती की ये ताकत है।
All right, my colleague Anand is joining us on the story. Anand, a very strong appeal coming from the Prime Minister to end the practice of triple talaq. He's asking the prominent leaders from the Muslim communities to come forward, express their views against this social evil.
Well, absolutely. You see, the Prime Minister has used this opportunity. He was at this function on the occasion of Basav Jayanti, and now this is a 12th century Kannada scholar and social reformer. And the Prime Minister has very rightly used the opportunity to attack all those, who've been against the stand of doing away with the practice of triple talaq, an age-old Islamic divorce practice which has been in the debate for quite some time now. And even the Supreme Court is going to review it in the coming month, beginning continuous hearing on the triple talaq issue from May 11th. But very rightly pointed out by the Prime Minister himself that the social reformers from the community itself, from the Muslim community itself, will rise to the occasion. It is both a social message and also a political message from the Prime Minister, taking on his political opponents, and also the All India Personal Law Board, which has been opposing what the BJP has been advocating. And certainly it has political message behind this. BJP has been claiming that the Muslim women voted for it in the Uttar Pradesh elections, and down the year Gujarat elections are also around the corner. So clearly a big political message from the Prime Minister, taking on the political opponents and the Muslim clerics on this issue, giving a message that what the BJP stands for.
Absolutely. In fact, Anand, what the Prime Minister has said will play out in just a bit as well, that triple talaq should not be seen through a political prism, and that is a statement which is made to silence his political critics as well, those critics who've been questioning the BJP over the triple talaq issue as well. And as the BJP is advocating the end of triple talaq, we've seen now the Prime Minister very categorically appealing from the Muslim community to end the social evil, saying that it should not be seen through a political prism.